Let's make pickled watermelon with me.
So I'm going to start off with cutting into the small pieces like this, and then I'm going to peel the skin out because this is very hard to chew. Yeah, like this. After we peel all of the skin, so yeah, it's time to cut it into small pieces like this. So it is easy to put in a jar. Like this thin slice. Now it is time to put it in the clean jar. So I got 2 big jars. So now it's time to boil the water. Water for 12 cups. Salt, half of a cup. Apple cider vinegar. So I'm going to use it 1.5 a cup. Water is a rolling boil, so it's time to just pour everything inside of the pickle. So we need to pour this water into the jars since it is boiling hot. We don't want it to cool down. After you pour the hot water inside of the jar, so we need to let it cool down before we cover the jar. So right now the water is cooling down, so it is time to cover the jars. So after we covered the jar, we just leave these jars outside of the refrigerator for 2 to 3 days.
This is pickled watermelon that I made a few days ago. It is time to serve right now. As you can see, it is very pinky color. I love the color.